Alright, welcome back to this Facebook page creation and optimization series. Alright, so having created the Facebook page in the last video where I showed you how to create it despite the try again later challenges that a lot of people who want to create Facebook page are facing currently. In this video, I want to focus on the optimization of the page. As you can see, this Velocity Media new page that we have created now. You have seen how it is. Alright, you need to put cover page or a cover photo here, and then put a page profile picture here. As you can see that the health of the page is even fair. It's just fair. You can see it's yellow. It's supposed to have at least a green color to show that it's healthy. Let's go straight and create the cover photo and there are actually 8 checklists. The 8 actions you're supposed to perform on this page, and I'll be doing videos to show you how to do each of them step by step. Okay, there are 8 things you're supposed to do here. In case you don't know what the word optimization is, it simply means to set up your page in a way that your followers and your potential customers who are coming to the page will know what the page is all about and how the page will be useful to them, beneficial to them, helpful to them. Okay, so if your page cannot define who the page serves and who the page helps and what the page is all about, and also direct people on the specific actions you want them to take when they come to your page, that page is not optimized. Okay, so an unoptimized page confuses followers and customers, especially customers that actually want to buy or patronize what we are selling. I can tell you for free that a lot of pages are not optimized, and because of that, it cannot convert. So there are some pages when your page is optimized, is convincing and converting. It's convincing and converting because information there are very. Having explained all that, let's jump into the optimization process, starting with adding a cover photo and profile picture. Okay, for us to do that, we have to leave this platform now and go to Canva. Open Canva. And Canva tutorial is a different thing altogether. We'll be doing videos there, so if whatever you want to learn, just drop it in the comment section, and make sure you subscribe to this channel to get notified when the video training should be rolling. So when you come to platform, the Canva platform like this, to make it very easy for you, just go to search for your content and type Facebook cover. Just type this Facebook cover. That's all. Just click here. I think I'm going to type page cover so it will be easier. Page cover, Facebook page cover. But let's see what it's going to bring out for us. Just pray this thing will do very fast. I don't really have that time. This is the cover. Okay. So what you do, you look for a template of your choice. Any of the templates that you want, you just use it. All of them are good. For us not to waste any of our time, we can actually pick anyone. You can actually even create from scratch. You can create from here. You can see there are 23,000 different templates. You can even start with a blank one. And if you are creative, you can create a blank one, the one that you want. And you can also choose any of the templates and change it. Okay, so this is a blank one. You can create. The essence of this template, because there are sizes. Okay, there are sizes. So you may not know the size, but with the template, you don't need to size. It's already the size already. Okay, so let's pick any of the. Let's pick this one. And then let's work on this. First thing I'm going to do now is that I will get the logo to my company, Velocity, that we created. Let's see whether we can find the company logo here. If there's no. And the company logo. Okay, so this is Velocity company logo. Okay, let's pick this one. Now let me remove the background. Let me quickly remove the background effect and click on remove background so it can be transparent. Good. So I've removed the background. It used to have black background, but now it doesn't have any background again. It will now carry the background of, do you see how I removed the background by one touch? Sorry, you have to go back. Just with one touch, the background just come out. See it? So you put the logo here, What the logo does that it helps you. That means a lot. It helps you a lot. Once you put the logo will now determine the color that this particular design is going to have. I'm thinking I'm not very fast. I have to be very, very fast. Alright, I put the logo there. Right, so I put the logo. So let's type Valuversity Media. Okay? Then this one, Valuversity Media. Good. Valuversity Media. Then change the color. Because I'm not teaching you how to do Canva design here. Valuversity Media. I'm coming. This color, this particular background color, you can work on it. And then get more, make it black so that other colors can show very, very well. Valuversity Media. Okay, so this media should have your. Then remove this one. You can put things like helping small business to in touch. Okay? That's what we do. How to be in touch with your potential customer using Facebook. That is one of the things that we remember. We are just giving you an example here. Here I may choose to remove this image and then quickly replace it with my own image. Okay? One of my images. Okay, which one do I use now? Okay, let me choose this. We'll just put it here. That's all. And what next? We are done. So let's rename it. Rename it. Come here. I think it's already renamed. Valuversity. All right. So we are done with this. Let's quickly download it. Download it. Remember, we are working with time. I don't want the video to be long. We have created the Facebook cover photo. So the next thing we want to do is to create a profile picture. Yeah, you can actually also come to this place and type Facebook profile picture. Just say Facebook profile picture. Okay, picture template here. You click it like this. You will see example of templates for good. Right? Any of these ones are very, very good. Even you can choose anyone. Very, 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 very fast. I'm going to cut some of these things so that the video will not be too long. Okay, this is the template. Good. So what changes can we make here so that we can convert this template to become our own? What changes can we make here? I think the first change is to remove this picture here and probably put your profile. Maybe you can put your personal picture there. You can also put the company logo like I did there. Just bring the company logo and put it there. Use the company logo as the profile. Where did I see it? It is the company logo. Good. Just make sure it enters here. Good. It has entered. So the company logo is there. What else can you do? You have to. This is the company logo. You can actually leave it like this with no other thing. Leave it like this without doing any other thing. You can download it and still play around it and design other things you may want to design. Because of our time, this is no other person will have this thing. Okay, so we are done. Let's go back to Facebook. You see that this page now will look nice. Click here, upload photo, then select this one. Good. Click save. Wait for it to upload. Here it has uploaded and it has reflected. So what's the next thing? This one also. What do you do? See profile picture. Import from Instagram. Select from picture. Select this one and then click uploading. It will soon upload. PM, it has uploaded. Correct. So what's the next thing to do? we are done. So these are the two things we want to achieve in this video. So I've taken you to the Canva where we created these two pictures and I've updated it to here now. Okay, so this all we can take in this video is more than 14 minutes already. So in the next video we will come back to this page to do other optimization. There are 8 optimizations we can do, but now we have done the first 2 important ones, which is the cover photo and the profile picture. I'll see you in the next video.